children, welcome to English class. Children, we are in block 13. Today, lesson number 3 children. What is happening now? Today I am going to explain you about this. Okay, what are the keywords? Reading, walking, writing, dancing, speaking, studying, painting, decorating. Children, yesterday in last class we have learned these action words children. Dance, speak, study, paint and decorate. These words, from where did we got these words children? From a story, We Indians. Yes children, in the story so many people are telling about themselves, what they like, what they will do, where they are coming from. Okay children, so dance, who like to dance in our story? One character, he likes to dance, and one of the character likes to speak. They speak she speak Malayalam. Okay, one of the characters study in Shantiniketan. One of the character do paint. Okay children, and two sister of Odisha, they decorate the walls of their houses fingerprint pattern. Yes, all these action words we have learned in the story. Yes children, so today I will explain you what is this children. This is only DANCE, dance. DANCE, dance. Today what we are learning, we are adding ing. Okay, so this is action word, we are adding ing. So what it becomes children? It becomes dancing. Okay children, so when do we use this dancing? At present. Okay, what is happening now? Okay children, now see children, what I am doing? Teacher is walking. Yes, I am walking now. The action which I am doing right now, for that we will write ing. If I tell you, all of you dance, so you start dancing. So what I will say? Children are dancing. Okay children, so at present what we are doing is called action words, and then we use ing to it. Now for example, teacher is writing. Okay, I am writing. Write plus ing. So writing, teacher is writing. At present what I am doing? Writing. Okay, if you see here DANCE plus ing, dancing, WRITE plus ing, writing. Okay children, this also I am going to explain you. Why? What is happening to this E? Whenever the letter E comes in the end, what we will do? We will drop it. We will drop it. This E letter we will drop, and then we will add ing to it. Okay children, all of you keep this in mind. Whenever, if a word ends with letter E, so we will not add like this. DANCEING is wrong spelling children. So what we will do? We will drop this letter E and then we will write ing. Okay children? Children, for words like wear, watch, speak, what we do children? We can add directly ing to it. WEAR plus ing, wearing. WATCHING, watching. Okay, speak plus ing, speaking. Direct we will add these two spellings and we will write. No need of changing here anything. Yes children, but before what I told you, whenever letter E will come at the end, we have to drop the letter E and then we have to add ing. Okay children, two things clear children for you, how to write the spellings. When we use this ing words, when it is happening now, when we are doing any action at present children, then we will use ing. Okay, clear children till here? Children, now there are some words children where we have to double the letter. For example, SKIP. Skip is there, no children? So what I will do? SKIPP. Okay, ing I will write. How I will write? Plus ing. Okay. So what I have to do? I have to double this letter. I have to write 2 times the letter. SKIPPING, skipping. Why I am doing here like this children? Yes, I will explain you. Whenever we are writing letters with vowel and consonant. If you take these three ending three letters, CVC words, these are all CVC words. Okay, K is a consonant, V is a vowel, C is again consonant. So when three letters, the ending three letters are CVC words, then what we have to do, we have to double the letter, the end letter P we have to double and we have to write. This is the only trick, children. You have to remember this. Okay. So next letter C. Sit. Sit plus ing. So what you will do here, children? CIT. This is also CVC words only. Consonant, vowel and consonant. Okay, children. Plus ing. So what we have to write? SIT we have to write 2 times. We have to double the letter T. So sitting, like this you have to write. You have to remember this trick and you have to learn the spellings also. Okay, children. Then clap. So what we will do? CLAP. P again you have to write and then ing. Okay. And then run. Run means how you will write? RUN. You have to double the letter. Okay, children. Like this you have to write. Okay. 3 things I have told you today. Whenever the words are there, speak, we will write just speak plus ing. Okay, speaking. When any word is ending with letter E, what we will do? We will drop it. We will drop E and then we will add ing to that word. Okay. And then for this, what we will do when the last 3 letters are CVC letters, sorry. So what we will do? We will double the letter. The last letter we will double it. We will write 2 times. For example, run. RUNNING. Running. Till here clear, children? And when do we use ing? When the action is happening present. Okay, what teacher is doing? Teacher is teaching you. Okay, so present what I am doing? I am teaching you. Teacher can teach. Yes, teacher can teach. But now what I am doing? I am teaching you. Okay, clear, children?
Yes, children. Now all of you all open your workbook, children. Okay, open your workbook, page number 27. Write today's date, children. S3. What is happening now? Children, here we have to see the picture. What is happening now? We have to write in the given blanks. Okay, children? Just look at the picture carefully, children. Okay, here they are playing. Yes, children, the father and mother are playing. A small baby is sitting on father's lap. 2 children are here. One girl is writing. Okay, this boy is cutting. Okay, children, let us see what is there in the sentence. First one is, first bit, look at the picture and fill in the blanks. A bit, they are dash a board game. Play. So what we will write here? Play only we will write. They are play a board game. No. Sentence will be not like this. Okay, children? Yes. We are talking about this picture. They are playing. What we will write here? They are playing a board game. Okay. Second one. Naina is dash a cool drink. Here drink is there. So Naina is drink a cool drink. We will write no. She is Naina. Naina is drinking a cold drink. Okay, children. See, it is the baby is dash her father. Children, here hug no, children. Here we will write sit. What we will write here? Sit. In the picture they have given sit. So we will write here sit, children. I will change and I will show you. So what we will write? The baby is sitting on her father's lap. Also you can write. The baby is sitting on her father. Also you can write. D bit. The boy is dash pictures. Cut. So cut what we will do? We will change it. Okay. The boy is cutting pictures. And then what we have to do? E bit. The little girl is dash on her worksheet. The little girl is writing on her worksheet. I will write and I will show you, children. If you see here, You have to change play into playing, children. Drink into drinking. Here I have changed, children. Hug, don't write hug. Strike it off, write down sit, sit, sit. So the sentence will be the baby is sitting on her father's lap. Okay, children. The boy is cutting pictures. The little girl is writing on her worksheet. Fine. Yes, children. Now, second question is, children, write 4 sentences about what you see happening around you right now. Children, you can write the sentence of your own also. Anything you want to change in this, you can change, children. I have given 4 sentences. If you want to write this, or if you want to write exactly what is happening around you when you're doing the work, children, you can write. First sentence is here. My mother is cooking food. I am watching a movie. Grandma is sleeping in the room. My father is going to market. Okay, children, these are the sentences I have given you. What all you want to write, you can write those. Okay, children. Then all of you all open your classwork, children. Yes, till here we finish. Now second bit you all write down. Make sentences with the words given in the table. Okay, children. Here one table like this you have to draw neatly. Take scale and red color pencil, children. Okay. So like this 2 columns you have to write. I am. Always we use I and am. Okay. And he. We are talking about one person only, no? So what word we use? We use is. She is also one person. We use is. It, for things we will use it is, we will say. Okay. W-E-V. When V word come, what we will use, children? We use are. V means more than one person, no? So are we will use. They also more than one person. So what we will use? We will use are. Yes, children. Now we have to make sentences with this. So you can write like this. I am Simran. I am Nusrat. I am your name. Okay. Here we will write Simran. And then what we will write? He is eating. She is a teacher. It is a ball. We are playing. They are writing. Like this we have to write. I will write and I will show you. Yes, children, write neatly in your classwork book, children. Okay. Like this, draw the table neatly and complete the work. All should do the work neatly. And children, the submission date is very near of your activity and project work. All should do your activity and project work in your activity book, and please come to school and submit. You will get marks, children. Okay. Okay, children, fine. Take care. Meet you in the next class.